Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
In spite of the artificial, seemingly war of attrition between the Tiv people and the Fulanis, which is very artificial. It's a problem created by the elites. They create a problem for the masses, wine and dine together when it's convenient for them. We, the Tiv people, don't have any problem with the Fulani people. The Benue people do not have any problem at all with the Fulani people. What is going on? Activities of criminals. There are criminals all over the country. There are criminals in all tribes. And so you have criminal elements among the Fulanis and criminal elements among the Tivs who are working together to destabilize Benue. But by the grace of God, by the strong stand of all the prominent sons of Benue, I think we will find peace. We'll go back to where we were before this problem started. And so I want to assure